Hi, I'm Cass and this is Scott and we're from the Canon Collective. Today, Scott and I are going to give you a quick look at Canon's two brand new cameras, the EOS 90D and the Canon EOS M6 Mark II.
There are a lot of similarities between these two cameras. First off, they're both using the APS-C size sensor, which means amazing quality. The EOS 90D has the usual DSLR look and feel, but with a deeper grip, though Canon have managed to trim the camera down, making it lighter than its predecessor, the 80D. The EOS M6 Mark II, part of the mirrorless family. Mirrorless cameras have no internal mirror setup, meaning smaller bodies, compact lenses, and overall meaning a smaller, lighter camera, perfect for travel.
Both these cameras are fast, insanely fast. In fact, the only other place you'll see a Canon camera achieve this many frames per second is in our pro level cameras. With these speeds, it means these models are not only great for a first-time buyer, but for those serious enthusiasts as well. But just how fast are they?
The EOS 90D delivers 10 frames per second, but if it's extreme action you're capturing, you won't beat 14 frames per second in the M6 Mark II, and 30 frames per second in raw burst mode. This fast frame rate ensures you won't miss the action and you'll have that special moment to select from.
The thing I love about Canon is the uncompromised attention to detail they put into the product, beyond the text and specs. It's the grip, comfortable and ergonomic while still being able to reach all the buttons, back button placements, and yes, the EOS M6 Mark II now has back button focusing. It's the usability, easy to navigate Canon menus, and how well thought through every aspect of the cameras are.
Let's talk angles. The 90D has what they call the vari-angled touchscreen and enables you to rotate in every direction. So no matter the angle, you'll always be able to see what you're doing and get that shot no matter what perspective you want to shoot from. Meanwhile, the M6 Mark II has the articulated touchscreen, which allows you to reach over, under, or flip the screen all the way up for vlogging, selfies, and video. Both cameras have full touch autofocus with the ability to focus and capture with a touch of the screen. Being a DSLR, the EOS 90D of course has the optical viewfinder, and on the M6 Mark II you'll also get a detachable electronic viewfinder in the box.
Both these cameras have 4K video with no crop and the ability to slow it right down with full HD 120p high frame rate shooting for slow motion. The EOS 90D also has inbuilt stabilisation with panning assist for super smooth footage. Being part of the DSLR family, the EOS 90D also uses the familiar LP E6N batteries, so you know you're going to get reliable performance.
While the M6 Mark II, being a smaller lightweight camera, takes the small lightweight LP E17 battery, meaning it won't weigh you down but still provide an excellent battery life. Lenses. While the M6 Mark II has 7 native lenses that are small and light, you also have the added advantage of adding this little adapter to the M6 Mark II, which opens this camera up to over 80 Canon EF and EFS lenses you can use with both of these cameras, which is perfect if you're using this as a secondary camera or have existing EF and EFS lenses.
So if I was an enthusiast interested in creative stills and video, or after a great all-rounder DSLR, I would go for the EOS 90D. For those interested in a compact and lightweight body for travel, you can't go past the EOS M6 Mark II. Either way, Canon have your bases covered. Don't forget, the Canon Collective run live photography workshops and events with a full team across Australia that help you get the most out of your gear, all rolled into some incredible experiences.
We'll have these cameras in our kit, so come to a Canon Collective event, get your hands on one and try out our range of lenses as well. We'll help you get the most out of these cameras and teach some tips and tricks to take your photography further.
Happy shooting.